Hey guys, I got a package from Young Nails. And here we go. I haven't opened it yet. And let me go ahead and open this. Always shop on their professional website for stuff that's buy one, get one free. But also they've been having like some little flash sales that I like to get too. Ooh, they protein bond and went up, I think $1.75, $2. You hear me? I'm like, oh God. Okay, I'm taking out the bubble wrap. It's a big old box for these little bitty items, huh? Okay. I'm always getting the protein bond every time it go on sale. So I know I got some protein bond. And it's buy one, get one free. Used to be like $9.95 or $10.95. Now it even went up to $12 and something. Man. Buy one, get one free. And I got 6. I think I got 6. Yeah, I got 6 bottles. They changed their packaging. That's probably why it went up, huh? Yeah, I always get this right here, protein bond. I use this for everything. I love protein bond. I use it for my acrylics, my gels, my regular manicures, regular polish, and my gel polish manicure. Everything. This is the only primer I use, period. I don't do no non-acid or no acid primer or no other kind of primer. Yeah, so that's 6 of them. I just did my little restock on the protein bond because I use one at my nail station, one at my pedicure station. So that's like 2 gone right there. Okay, and they also had buy one, get one free with the new Young Nails Stain Resistant Gel Top Coat. Now, I've never used this before. I never tried it. I had some subscribers that told me that I need to try it. They love it. I do use the finish gel. Now, it doesn't tell me with this. I'm going to have to call them and ask them that if you can put this on regular nail polish after it dry all the way or gel polish. Regular gel polish. I don't know how hard this is, so I'm gonna give it a try. These were, I think there were $19.95 if I'm not mistaken. I'm not sure. I think it was 19. I'm not sure. Normally they would give me a receipt, but they didn't put me no receipt in here. I'm surprised. So it's buy one, get one free. And I think there was $20 for buy one, get one free. $19.95 if I'm not mistaken. So I bought 2 of these bottles here to try this. So see how that goes. If I like it, I guess I'll be seeing. Same 10 millimeter. I'm telling you, I use this finish top coat. It doesn't crack nothing. I mean, this will work on regular polish. You can put this on fiberglass. You can put this. That's why I like this. This was a very versatile top coat. I mean, I use this for everything. I never had a problem with it. That's why I always gravitate to it, because I can use it on regular polish and dry, and it doesn't crack like some other gel top coats that I use on regular polish. So that's that. Now, I never tried Young Nails stamping plates, so they were on sale too. And I just picked up a couple ones because I have so many stamping plates. Ooh, that's a nice bag. I'm gonna have to keep that bag. Ooh, that's a nice bag. I bought 2 of the little detail brushes that I actually like them. They works pretty good with their gel paints, gel polish pots. Yeah. It don't have anything on it. That's how the tip look. And that's how it look. I'm trying to see if this one is the same as the one I got out of the gel polish paints that's in. Let's see. This is the micro detailer, and this is how it looks. So see, it's not the same brush. And those brush was on sale. You see how thin this brush is? I don't know if y'all can see that well. I got a glare out of this world on this screen. You see how thin this one is? See, the other one is not thin like that. So, I don't know if I'm going to like these. I'm going to have to really cut. See, this one is a little thicker. Oh, man. I thought it was the same as this one. So, but it's not. It's a very different. And then they have like the little tip right here. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna like this right here. And oh God, I should have looked on their website to see if it's a difference. I thought it was gonna be the same as the micro detailer, but it's a little bit more expensive, I think. But I didn't see the micro detailer on there. Maybe I'm mistaken. I was just, when I see a sale, I don't even look and see if that's what I really wanted or that's what I have already that I wanted and it went on sale. So this is not the brush that I wanted. I really wanted another one of these, and I thought these was the ones that was on sale. It's so fine. I have to put something on top of that to make sure that so now I gotta see if I'm gonna like that. Okay, last two things on this list. I just got 2 plates, and it's the Design Plate 37 and the Design Plate 11. I thought those words was really nice. I'm gonna do a review on these 2 plates. And see how I like them swatched, because I don't really know how good these plates are swatching. So I'll give it a whirl. If I like it, I might buy 2. But these are the main 2 that I really like. All they plates on sale. Alright, y'all, that is all for my unboxing. Everything here. Give these a try. See if I like them. Everybody needs to get their hands on that protein bond. I'm telling y'all, y'all can do wonders with that protein bond. Okay, until next time, y'all have a smiley day. Bye.